Teaching kids the value of responsibility. Hi everyone, I'm Abby. Today, I'm going to show you how being responsible can be super fun. Look at this room. It's a bit of a mess, isn't it? But a big girl like me knows exactly what to do. First, I pick up my toys. One by one, they return to their hiding place. It's like solving a giant puzzle. Next, I head to the kitchen. My sunflower looks thirsty. Giving it water helps it grow tall and strong. Time to make the table sparkle. A quick wipe here and a little scrub there makes everything look brand new. Oh, and don't forget our furry friends. My puppy needs fresh water to stay happy and healthy all day. Wow, look at that. The room is clean, the plants are watered, and everyone is happy. I feel so proud. Being responsible means taking care of our things and the ones we love. It makes our home a better place. Give it a try. You'll feel like a superhero too. Now, it's time for a little reading break in my tiny room.